I would like to thank to Global Spoken English for giving me a chance that I can say something in front of you. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Independence Day. So first of all, I introduce myself. I am Tabriz Khan from Siwan, Bihar, and currently I am pursuing graduation first year from BU University. And before I start my speech, I want to say something. I want to say poet of Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal said about our nation. यूनानियों को जिसने हैरान कर दिया था, यूनानियों को जिसने हैरान कर दिया था, सारे जहां को जिसने इल्मो हुनर दिया था, मिट्टी को जिसके हक ने जर का असर दिया था, तुर्कों को जिसने दामन हीरो से भर दिया था, मेरा वतन वही है, मेरा वतन वही है. So today I am going to talk about Independence Day. As we know, we are gathering to celebrate Independence Day, and today we got freedom from British Empire. British Empire come in India for trading, for business. Then after he captured in our country. They used many resources of country, and then after they used many resources of country. Then after he killed our Indian citizens. And if I tell you better in Hindi, I tell you many types of example when British Empire in India do very intolerant things on Indian citizen. And when British Empire rule in India, our citizen oppose that system. So it is my solution. That's all.